Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the True Beauty Glow device, a skincare gadget that promises to rejuvenate your skin, reduce fine lines, and give you that radiant glow. But does it live up to the claims? Well, let's dive in. So what exactly is the True Beauty Glow device? It's a handheld beauty gadget that uses light therapy, red, blue, and green lights to target different skin concerns. The company claims it can reduce wrinkles, clear acne, and even out skin tone, all from the comfort of your home. It's rechargeable, portable, and designed for regular use in your skincare routine. Alright, now that we are on their website, let's not forget to talk about the pros and cons. And let's start with the positives. The product is compact and easy to use, making it great for at-home treatments. With 3 light settings, it addresses various skin concerns, so it's versatile. It's a safe, non-invasive alternative to professional treatments like laser therapy, and over time it could save you money compared to repeated spa visits, and also you can take it anywhere and use it on the go. Now, onto the drawbacks. Like most light therapy devices, you'll need consistent use over weeks or months to see noticeable changes. It works best as a supplement to a solid skincare routine, not a standalone solution. Right, again, not a standalone solution. While more affordable than professional treatments, it might still be pricey for some budgets. Not all skin types respond the same way to light therapy, and some users may see little to no benefit. A few users report that the battery doesn't last as long as advertised. Alright, as you can see here, this is the real name of the product. Let's see. Intense Pulse Light Wrinkles Reducing Instrument. And what they're doing is that they just slapped some stickers over it on the packaging. Alright, as you can see here, this is a thread from Reddit. Looking at online reviews, opinions are mixed. As you can see here on Trustpilot, they have 4.3, but it's only 425 total reviews, and it cannot be trusted easily. Alright, as you can see, I've read a comment here that says that this is a scam. These reviews are fake. No longer trust Trustpilot. Alright, as you can see, again, the reviews are pretty mixed. Some people rave about noticeable skin changes in their skin, while others say it didn't work for them. It really depends on your skin type and expectations. So, is the True Beauty Glow device worth it? Well, if you're looking for an at-home skincare tool to enhance your routine and are willing to commit to consistent use, maybe it's worth considering. But if you're expecting quick, dramatic results, this might not be the magic fix you're hoping for, alright? Always consult a dermatologist for your skin care. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.